Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is our Shumatt live streaming. I'm the live streamer Caitlin. Today we want to introduce you one of our control valve. Let's see it together, this one. And firstly, you can see the outside packages, this kind of blue VCI roast bags. Here this is the product SKU and also with the product code F00VC01309. And of course, about this kind of logo labeled packages, that we can support customized service. So any of the customers, if you have such demand, please feel free to contact us. Then let's open it for check the inside details. Well, take a look at. Actually, for the inside, we use this kind of transparent bottles to package it. It's very hard and can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. That's the oil paper. We use oil paper to wrap it up. And that's the inside product, the whole side. Actually, we're not only selling the whole side, we're also selling the separate ones, such as the valve cap or the valve rod. If you look carefully, you'll find on the valve cap there with the coating figures here, and that's the valve rod. For our product, we have the quality guaranteed, such as we supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers will receive the packages. If you are not satisfied with the quality, it's okay, we can return or exchange your product for you. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I'd like to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with oil, don't clean it with the water, okay? And the second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. So much for the introductions. If you still have other questions, please leave the comments below this video to let me know about it. After I see that, I will reply you. Okay, at last, I hope you can follow us at the YouTube or the Facebook account, and because each week we have different videos and live show, and you can follow us so that you can't miss any videos. And we have the WhatsApp, the emails, address, and the phone numbers. You can choose one way. Feel free to contact us. Caitlin here and waiting for your news. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.